Hi, I'm Daniel Sanders, I'm from Australia and I'm new to the KTM factory racing rally team. My goal was always to do a Dakar Rally, and it has come a little bit earlier in my career than expected, but it's really cool to have this opportunity and to make it happen. Yeah, my first feeling on the rally bike was a little strange. I had a big roadbook map in front of me and the GPS and all these gadgets on the handlebars, so it was really nice to finally learn everything on it and how stable it is on the high speeds, and the raw speed it has is just sitting on 170 kilometres an hour, and it's just nice straight, and yeah, it's good fun. I can't wipe the smile off my face.
Daniel is part of the KTM factory racing team junior program, so that means that he has less pressure, he has the right tools and everything to develop together with the main team guys, so it's a good opportunity for him to learn and also for us to get a good rider in the future. We've been working really close with Daniel the last days, and of course we put the focus on the navigation because it's new for him. He already knows how to ride one bike, so now we need to put the navigation and on that, and I think he's showing really good skills on that also. The mental side is really good, and the attitude, so I think if we keep going with this attitude, it will be a real contender of this race.
Really excited to get this Dakar underway and show everyone what I can do.